How does plastic pollution affect marine life? Have you ever wondered how plastic pollution impacts the creatures living in our oceans? It is a pressing issue that affects marine life in various ways, and understanding this can help us make better choices. When plastic waste enters the ocean, it creates immediate and long-term threats to marine animals. From the largest whales to the tiniest plankton, plastic pollution disrupts marine environments at every level. One of the most alarming effects is ingestion. Many marine animals mistake plastic for food. For instance, sea turtles often confuse plastic bags with jellyfish. Fish and seabirds also ingest small plastic particles that look like their natural prey. Once these plastics are swallowed, they cannot be digested. This leads to a false sense of fullness, causing animals to eat less real food. As a result, they can suffer from malnutrition or even starvation. Additionally, sharp plastic fragments can cause internal injuries, leading to a condition known as plasticosis. This weakens the animals and makes them more vulnerable to diseases. Entanglement is another serious issue. Animals such as seals, sea lions, and whales can become trapped in discarded fishing nets or plastic rings. This entanglement can lead to injuries, loss of limbs, or even death by drowning or suffocation. Even minor entanglement can impair movement, making it hard for these animals to escape predators or find food. Furthermore, plastic pollution introduces toxic chemicals into marine ecosystems. Plastics often contain harmful additives that can leach into the water. Marine organisms absorb these chemicals, which can disrupt hormonal systems and impair reproduction. As plastics break down into smaller pieces called microplastics, they become easier for a wider range of species to ingest. This includes plankton, which are crucial to the marine food web. Toxins can accumulate and move up the food chain, eventually reaching humans who consume seafood. From an ethical perspective, plastic pollution raises important questions about our responsibility toward the environment and other living beings. The widespread harm caused by plastic waste shows a lack of respect for the intrinsic value of marine life and healthy ecosystems. Ethically, we must consider the rights of animals and our moral duty to protect vulnerable species from preventable harm. It challenges us to think about the fairness of causing suffering and death to marine life for convenience or profit. Practical steps can reflect these ethical considerations. Supporting policies that reduce plastic production and waste is essential. Advocating for responsible consumption and promoting alternatives to single-use plastics can also make a difference. Individuals and communities can take action by reducing plastic use, participating in cleanup efforts, and supporting organizations that protect marine environments. These actions demonstrate a commitment to ethical responsibility and care for our planet and its inhabitants.